Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and delicious chicken lemony pasta. So these are some of the ingredients that I will be using, and I will make sure to write down all of the measurements in the description below. For the ingredients, you will need pasta, lemon, Parmesan cheese, chicken stock, garlic, Italian seasoning, sour cream, and salt and pepper. You will also need butter, and any kind of butter will be fine. And last but not least, of course, our chicken. This is a serving for 2, so I use 2 chicken breasts. First, we will start by boiling some water. I added salt and make sure it's on high heat. Next, we are going to drizzle some olive oil and wait for that to heat. Once your skillet is hot, you can go ahead and put your chicken breast. I forgot to record this part, but I pretty much just added the Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper to both sides of the chicken. Now just go ahead and let your chicken cook for 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Now that my chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add my pasta. Just make sure you cook it for about 10 minutes. Really just depends on how you like your pasta. Some people like it a little bit more undercooked, and some others like it well done. I personally like it well done. Now that my pasta is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and flip the chicken breast. Looks like one side is good to go. So you just do the same thing and just keep checking and making sure that there's no pink, because you don't want to get sick. Here is a tool that I use all the time. It's pretty much a thermometer for your food, and it makes sure that your food is fully cooked and you don't have to worry about it being undone. And looks like my pasta is all done. Before straining my pasta, I saved half a cup of the boiling water to use it later. Now I'm going to go ahead and check the temperature of the chicken to make sure that it's fully cooked. And as you can see, it has to be 165 degrees. And it is. So now we're going to check the next one. And looks like this one is almost there, but not quite yet. So now we're just going to wait a little bit. So my chicken is all done, and I'm just going to let it sit on this cutting board and just cool off before cutting it. So here I am using the same pot that I used to cook the pasta, and I'm going to drizzle some olive oil and wait for that to heat. While I wait for my pot to heat up, I'm going to mince my garlic. If you guys don't know what this is a garlic mincer, and it is a lifesaver. It saves you so much time. So I definitely recommend that you purchase one. And just like that, your garlic is minced, and you just take it off, and you don't have to worry about cutting a bunch of little pieces. It does it all for you. Now that my pot is hot, I'm going to go ahead and add my minced garlic, and I am also going to squeeze half of the lemon. Now I'm just going to go ahead and stir everything. Just make sure that you don't burn your garlic. You just want it to be nice and toasted. Now I am going to add the half a cup of reserved pasta water and let that cook with the garlic and the lemon. And let the water, lemon, and garlic cook for about a minute. And now I'm going to add the chicken stock for flavor. And I'm just going to mix it all. It's been about 2 minutes, and now that everything is mixed, I'm going to go ahead and add my pasta into the pot. Make sure that you mix all of your noodles with the sauce. We don't want to miss any of them. After mixing all of my noodles for about 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add my sour cream. Now I'm going to also go ahead and add my tablespoon of butter, and I'm also going to be adding my Parmesan cheese. I'm going to be adding a good amount, and then I'll probably save the rest for when dinner is done. And now you are just going to mix everything together. Make sure everything is evenly mixed and everything's melted. So dinner is done, and I went ahead and served myself some pasta, and I also am going to add my chicken. I went ahead and cut it off of camera, and I'm just trying to make it look pretty. And I am also going to add some Parmesan cheese on top. And yeah, this is dinner. I really hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys next time.